Okay.
Nice.
Not bad, not bad. Guys, I don't cook, okay? Alright. We're making some chapatis for breakfast. Crack some eggs in here. Okay. So we're making some chapatis with eggs. So cracking the egg.
Yeah.
Thank you. And what's your name?
Carol.
Carol.
Yeah.
Carol makes the best chapati. Some salt.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Mix it.
Yeah.
Guys, you have to whisk the eggs. We know this. Whisking, whisking. And this mug's probably made 1,000 of these today. Okay. Oil. Oil the pan. Okay, and drop it in. Alright. Put some oil in the pan. It's smoking now. Now, do it. Pour it in. Oh my god, guys, it's frying up right away. For what? Oil? I'm messing it up. Alright, you guys have to let it fry. Carol's gonna step in for a second. I'll make sure it doesn't stick, but it's frying so fast. Amazing. It's okay. It's okay.
I'll have that one.
Guys, she's an expert. She's flipping it with a knife. Instead, she doesn't even have a spatula. Amazing. All right, now we take. When do we do the chapati? Just one. Go. Put that on top. Press it down.
Yeah.
Okay. And then flip it.
Yeah.
Oh. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Oh, just one first.
Yeah.
Just one.
Oh.
All right. And now what? Just take it, roll it. Then we fold it. Oh, that's hot. Is there a plate? Plate right here. Okay. Put it on the plate. There we go. Kind of. Thank you. All right, we're making two. Two, so let's make one more. All right, let's crack some eggs again. Now that I know the recipe by heart. Where's the garbage? Oh, thank you. Guys, these eggs are huge. Cuse, leave it. Sit. 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 Cuse, sit. All right, put some oil. It's good? Look at it. I'll move the eggs. Look at it. Some more oil on the side. Oh. Amazing. Flip it. Let me try. You can do it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Okay.
Nice.
Not bad. Not bad. Guys, I don't cook. Okay. Put that in. I just eat. That's my eating is my specialty. Whew. Go Put it in, and then we fold. Oh boy. That was not bad. Got a second plate. Drop it in. We did it! Okay. Thank you so much. Here's off. Alright guys, we're having some tea with our chapati. So a big flask of boiling hot tea. Here's, and look at that. It's nice, it's creamy. Ooh, smells sweet. Here's, leave it. Alright, this is delicious. It's like really sweet. Really hot on a perfect morning. Amazing. Alright, so I made this. So I'm gonna have to eat it. Okay? Stay. This is my expert chapati. It's a B-, I think. I said I was coming back for breakfast, and here I am. Last morning in Nairobi. All right, I want to cut this. Can I cut? Knife. I'll take. Oh, thank you. Cuse. All right, here we go. Oh, it's so hot and moist and flaky and buttery. Amazing. Guys, this is just, this is chapati and egg and some oil. Love it. Alright, I might need to open up my own chapati stand and compete with these guys. Delicious. Wow. Alright guys, I got thirsty and I wanted some water, and they drink out of this, but this is not bottled water, so can't have it. I'm not fully Kenyan yet. You know, I'm Kenyan, but I'm not fully Kenyan. So Carol, how long has this been open here? 1 year. And you're open every day? Yeah. Awesome. What's your name? Isaac. Isaac's a pro. Carol's a pro. Their food is delicious. They're very friendly. Right here in the Westlands. Come check them out. Hot tea. Here we go. No. All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Take care. Asante. All right, guys. Great breakfast right in the Westlands of Nairobi. I'm gonna miss this place. Okay.